All right, everybody, before I go into what we're watching for tomorrow for day trades, let me remind everybody tomorrow is FOMC day, which can be pretty boring in the morning, but we'll see. I think there'll still be some opportunities. New faces in the room, please pause the video and read that. If you've been in the room any length of time, you've already read it. It's a good description of what we're all about. Also, I'd like to highlight some of the best calls from the day, or at least one each video, and I'm highlighting me. It's 2 days in a row I've done this. Doesn't mean there weren't other great calls, but since I took the time and made a chart of this and everything, I thought I would talk about it because it's more descriptive than just saying, hey, so-and-so gave this idea, right? So I posted in the room, Pony pullback watch, two's buy zone near VWAP, and I didn't post it until it did this, and you can't see it, but broke pre-market high. That's when I said, okay, now I'm interested in the first pullback because it's showing its strength. Nice volume there too. I said two's buy zone between the 8 and the 20, which gave like, I don't know, 20 cents, maybe 25 cents risk. The entry was around 1078, and it's probably actually closer to 15 cents risk because your stop goes below the red line, and it did not breach that. And by the way, it went higher than that. It actually went to 1445 and may still be going higher. I'm making a video before the close because I got a thing tonight, right? So, but I waited long enough that most of the charts are probably fairly accurate. Anyone also, I'll show a couple others too that I gave near the end of the day. OKLO, big pop today, had nice, that whole space had nice news. I mentioned it right in here. I said it's going consolidating or going sideways. Coiling is what I said, below 28, and the high of days only 15 cents above. The implication there is the 28 break might light up the new highs ticker, and I mean, what, in 10 minutes? 10 minutes it went almost a buck, and it's still holding up pretty well. And then because of that, I also gave this NNE back through 2450, which I believe happened right there, and you can see what that's doing. So a nice couple end of day trades. That whole space will be on watch tomorrow, as you're going to see here in a second. I got to go to the dailies. All right, I'm going to rip through this because, again, I got a thing to do. So there were some highlights. What are we watching tomorrow? UPWK. Nice breakout today. Could certainly continue tomorrow. Pony goes back on watch. Strongest stock in the whole world. BCRX. Inside day after the breakout. Could be a third day play. AEVA breakout today. Gave a really nice setup that I pointed out, and like an idiot, I didn't take it. Could be a follow-through day tomorrow. TDUP. Nice breakout. We're going to watch that one. HIMS, just big squeeze today after the gap down. LFMD likes to run with HIMS, and it still has potential catalysts above on the chart, so I like that one too. And then here comes the baby nukes. That whole space was strong. OKLO, SMR, and NNE, and then LTBR tends to run with those too. So those four will all be on watch tomorrow. WRD, really nice pop, big volume today. EVGO, I think I already, no, I didn't. All right, EVGO, nice breakout. Could have a follow-through day. CEP goes on bounce watch. Again, crazy stock, but it's certainly setting up nicely in that daily buy zone after 3 red days after that monster move. And then ABEO, I'm also putting on bounce watch. Had this big breakout. It's retraced a lot of it though, but it is between the 8 and the 20. Maybe close to a retest of this high. So I do like it for a potential bounce. And that's it. I will see you guys in the pre-market. Let's work together and add some gappers to this list. Have a great night.